as a member of the opposition bench, I would like to express that neutrality is one of the most important aspects in conducting business in the House, and also in order to maintain the decorum and the dignity of the House. So even the framers of the Constitution, they were of firm belief that neutrality while conducting the business cannot be compromised at any cost. And that can be seen and reflected in the para 5 of the 10th schedule, that any member who occupy the chair of the Speaker can voluntarily give up his membership from the party and shall not be subjected to disqualification. This is an indicative of the fact that for the fairness and impartiality to all the members in this August House, the Speaker is allowed to keep his true neutral position inside the House. So we know when we look at the numbers and the strength of the ruling party, we don't stand a chance to compete with them on any issue. However, the interest of the state and its people cannot be determined by the numbers alone. It depends on the debate and the deliberation in this August House. Therefore, I hope that as an impartial Speaker, you will facilitate a healthy debate in this August House for the benefit of the state and the people. With these few words, sir.